Today we're talking about food and cooking.
Okay.
Okay. What sorts of food do you like eating most?
I like eating Japanese food, like for example, sashimi or sushi, or even some kind of like fish with sauce. Yeah, I love that. I love Japanese food very much
Why do you like it so much?
because I feel comfortable after eating Japanese food, and also it's the taste is not too strong, and also I like how the texture of fish when it touch my tongue, and it feel like soft and yeah, it's a smell it
Right. So when it touches with an ES.
touches.
Yeah, when it touches your tongue, it melts on your tongue or it melts in your mouth, you could say. Like Eminem. Okay, I wanted you to expand on feeling comfortable. You said I feel comfortable after eating it. Like how?
It's because I think because Japanese food is like pretty light food. It's not like heavy food like American food or Italian food. So like even I eat a lot, but I still feel comfortable. Yeah.
So you don't feel stuffed, you don't
Yeah.
feel too full?
Yes, I don't feel too
Yes.
full. Yes.
Okay, all right then. Who normally does the cooking in your home?
My mom usually cook at my home. Sometimes I help her cook, but not so often.
Okay. What kind of food does she usually cook?
She usually cook Thai cuisine. Sometimes she cook North Eastern cuisine, and most food that she cook is are spicy, and there's a lot of sauce in there. Yeah.
Okay, so again, make sure that you use the singular verb because
Okay.
she cooks with an S. She cooks, yes. Okay, so you like spicy food then?
I'm not a fan of spicy food,
But you
but
have to eat that almost every day or like every time your mom does the cooking.
yes, exactly.
Okay, all right. So you don't mind eating spicy food, but
Yes.
not your favorite.
Mm.
Okay, all right. Do you watch cookery programs on TV?
Yes, I watch. Yeah, I watch it on TV. Especially when I went to New York City, I had to cook by myself. So I look at the recipe from the internet or in the YouTube and just follow the recipe.
Was it a success, your cooking?
Sometimes it's success, but sometimes it's failed as first time, but then the second time was better.
Well, okay. So you learned how to cook in the US. No, but you
Yes.
said you like before you went there, you had helped your mom cook before?
Yes, but
Like so you had some basics?
just like cutting vegetable
Oh,
and
like
like
the
wash
preparation,
preparation.
not the cooking part.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So you said you had to cook by yourself. That means alone without anybody helping you?
Actually, my boyfriend helped me sometimes.
Okay.
But
So the difference between by myself and myself is that when you say by yourself, that means you were alone at the time, like there was no one else with you at the time.
okay.
But if you want to just emphasize that you did it, then I cooked myself, like myself, I did it. Yes, yes. Um, you cooked yourself. You because you were following the experts on TV. You said you were watching it. You were watching the cooking programs. You were following the recipes?
Yes.
Right. So not by yourself because you had some help like that. Yeah. But if you say by yourself, then there's no help at all. Okay. So you looked up recipes online, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how did you choose which dish to cook?
I choose what to cook based on ingredients. Like for example, when I was in New York, right? There are not every ingredient in the recipe I can buy from there. So I have to pick the one that I can find all the ingredients in New York City. And also sometimes I pick the one that easier to cook, not like many process. Yeah.
So before you start cooking, you prepare like a few days before, right?
Yeah.
Like you
Yes.
check the ingredients that you would need before
Yes.
time. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So make sure you use past tense.
Oh.
Right. This one you totally forgot.
Yes.
Right. Like you use all present tense verb. You said there are, I can buy, I have to,
Okay.
I find. Okay, so one more time in past tense.
Okay.
How did you choose which dish to cook or which recipe to cook?
I chose.
I chose.
I
said,
chose.
how did you choose? So
Oh yeah, true.
I chose.
I chose based on ingredients which I could find them easily. For example, when I was in New York City, I had to cook. Then I would just pick the one that I can find. I can find it in a supermarket in New York City, because like if I want to cook Thai food, sometimes there are no ingredient that I want from there.
Like you could not find the ingredients that you needed.
That I couldn't find the ingredient
Right, you could not find the ingredients that you needed.
that I needed.
Okay, and that was just one thing that you made, and you did not recognize that was a mistake. You said I would just pick, and you said pick it. Sounded like piglet. No, because you already have would. Would is already past tense. So I would just pick just singular simple verb. But again, when you use it as a past tense verb, picked. Okay. So no extra syllable. Okay, I picked.
Okay.
But this one you already had would, so you don't need to change the form. So when you have KED, then the sound is like a T. Like I picked, what other verbs have the K at the end? Cooked, thank you. I cooked, ED.
Cooked.
Okay. All right, then. Next question. In general, do you prefer eating out or eating at home?
I prefer eating at home because it's I can choose what I want to eat by myself, and also right now I enjoy cooking, so I just want to cook and eat at home. And it's also save my money. Like if I go out, if I eat outside every day, it's gonna cost a lot of money. But if I eat at home, it would save a lot of money too.
Okay. How's about on special occasions?
Yes, sometimes I prefer eating outside because it's a special occasion and we don't usually eat outside often, so it's okay to like just do it for like special occasion. Yeah.
So if you are to go to eat at a restaurant, how do you pick a restaurant to go to?
I would pick the one that I have read reviews, and I found that restaurant was like is interesting and affordable, reasonable. Yeah.